Google Search Console is a free platform that Google gives you access to that will show you your performance in search. You have to set up your website. So if you just type in Google Search Console in the search, you will come up with the Google Search Console starting page. And so just enter your website in there, and usually it automatically go from there, and you just follow the prompts. If not, watch one of my future videos about how you can link your website on your own. So one of the first things when you first go into Google Search Console is you're going to see right away this performance report. This next section is indexing. All of my pages are not indexed, but that is on purpose. So you just want to make sure that as many pages as you want indexed are indexed. Indexing means that Google has crawled your page and it's ready to be shown in search. The first tab I would look at is your performance report. And you can pick the date range for this. You can do last 7 days, for example, just depending on how often you check your analytics, maybe monthly, maybe bi-monthly or weekly. And so it'll give you the total number of clicks and the total number of impressions. So impressions are how many times your website was shown as an option. Clicks are how many people clicked when they were shown your site. Average click-through rate is basically impressions divided by clicks. And then your average position is where you are showing up on the search engine results page. So number 19 is not great because if you want people to see you in a Google search, you probably want to be between the first 5. So the next thing you want to look at is this queries. So with queries, people are actually typing in these words. That is what is causing your website to come up. So this can give you some good insight into words that you did not know that you were ranking for, that you are ranking for. And like, I know that people find me by searching Digital Marketing Canyon Lake. And so if I am writing something, I may include the words Digital Marketing Canyon Lake because I know that people have found me using that. And also, since it is a localized search, I want to make sure my Google Business Profile is set up correctly. Another thing that you can look from this performance is your pages. So this tells you where people are clicking onto, which pages of your website. So the majority will go to your homepage, but you can see that there are people who are clicking on one of my services page as the director of marketing, and then my VIP day services page. So other pages are getting traffic. This here shows you the countries where your traffic is coming from, and then your devices. The majority of people have come from mobile, and then desktop. So the value in Google Search Console really comes down to knowing if your website is functioning as it should. With a website, the most important thing is that you get traffic to it, and you don't know what you don't know. And so if you're not looking at your data, then you don't know if you're getting traffic, or if, some of your pages are not being crawled by Google for some reason. And Google Search Console is a very simple interface to use to make sure that your pages are being seen by Google and that you are showing up in search, what words you're showing up in search for, and you can track as you add more content how that's increasing your position in search, which ultimately will get you more sales.